so that in the future they can build houses in the land. But what they want is the land, that they will not be hindi sila magigibado sa land where they are staying now, and they're willing to pay for the land. Why don't we do that? Why do we have to build condominiums on their lands which they cannot afford?
Yes, Mr. President. If I may, I think napakalawak ng suporta nating mga senador sa CMP, for example. And dahil paulit-ulit natin ini-impress yun sa DSUD, kaya rin makikita po natin historically, sa budget na nire-request nila sa GAA, ang lakas po ng hinihinging suporta para sana halimbawa sa CMP. Pero kakaunti lang po ang actually na naibibigay mula sa DBM hanggang sa final na GAA. Halimbawa po mula 2016, nag-propose ng funding ng, this is 1 billion, right? 1 billion